Hey guys, today we're just doing a little video on this hydraulic excavator. It is a 360L. It's a pretty nice machine. It's fully hydraulic, as you can see from back here. So yeah, pretty much just got this machine not too long ago. Been a pretty good machine, haven't had any problems other than a couple of track pads, but thankfully they send you a few extra. But other than that, yeah, I'll get you guys a video of it digging there in action if you guys want to see it. So I got my controller all set up to mix. So it has all these aftermarket lights, guys. You can hook up a light in the back side of those. So you can see there's a spot for a lock-and screw. You put your light in, and they sell all these lighting kits separate, of course. But it's a pretty nice machine. I'm liking it so far. And yeah. If you guys want to see some videos of it in action, just let me know in the comments below and I will post it for you guys. Thanks. Have a good night.